Hello, everyone. I'm Ojasman, and this is my co-founder, Abhishek. And we have the privilege of introducing to you Feather, a new cloud computing paradigm. We're riding a wave of change in the cloud computing world right now. Software deployment has changed so much, from bare metal to virtual machines to containers, and now serverless cloud computing. According to Gartner, spending on cloud services like AWS, Azure, etc., will grow from 257 billion to 304.9 billion in 2021 alone. The market is growing, and things are trending towards a decoupling of software and infrastructure. But things are also consolidating with a few players. The main problem is that cloud computing has trust issues, meaning there is no way for a user to send code to a cloud computer and be 100% certain that their code will be run and they will get their desired results. Brands like AWS and Google Cloud rely on brand trust from consumers and truly insane amounts of consolidated resources to quote-unquote guarantee reliable results. This creates an artificial lock-in with a trust-based mode. Feather gets rid of this mode and expands the market, allowing everyone to participate and solve a diverse range of problems. We break this mode by decentralizing and democratizing the marketplace for compute, verifying code on these decentralized nodes to make them trustworthy, and making client-side interfaces extremely easy to use. Now, Abhishek will explain how we have achieved this in the backend.
The fundamental idea here is security via duplication in a deterministic WASM runtime. Let's break that down. A deterministic runtime means that an honest executor will always get the same result for some input. If multiple executors get the same result, then that result is the correct result. If they don't, then the process is repeated until consensus is achieved. There are some subtleties here, which you can read about in our documentation or reach out to us. This idea has been used very successfully before in non-commercial systems like folding at home, and we're bringing it to the new internet. So this is where we are right now. You can send and receive results for standard like I/O programs and WebAssembly. So if you can compile something to WebAssembly using WASI that takes something in via standard in and does something to it and outputs it in standard out, you can run that. That's a little like hello world we've prepared. In the next coming few months, we want to develop even further. Our initial goal is to get a method to run non-trivial programs on our network and to have API integration to the HTML canvas so that you can use WebAssembly in the standard way that WebAssembly is used. So like if, for example, for like weaker clients, that would be really helpful. After that, we want to build a molecular dynamics suite. When I say build, we mean more like compiling pre-existing programs, open source programs that exists. And we have agreements from research teams around the world to use it. And finally, at the end of our runway, in 6 months' time, we want to have a fully operational TensorFlow training environment. This would be our first distinguishing mark, where the network would receive some acclaim. We want this to be able to run large language models, for example, Eleuther's open source clone of GPT. Eventually, Feather nodes will span the world, with nodes as large as data centers that are as small as a single mobile phone. In the same way a single company couldn't make the internet, a single company will not be able to compete with this. We want Feather to blur the lines between server and client, and we want compute to happen where it's best for it to happen, whether that's in a data center on the other side of the world or on a desktop PC in the same subnet as you, separate from infrastructure or cloud vendors as a protocol unto itself. We're passionate about this future, and we'd like to invite you to be part of its creation. Thank you very much for your time. Please reach out to us if you're interested in joining us. We're currently looking for Web3 developers. Come see us at our booth, send us an email, join our Discord, subscribe to our mailing list. Yeah, thank you for your time.